Hi, we are from Group31 Mobile Computing course, Arizona State University, cse535. We have built a mobile application called the StoreBuddy. Our app gets the price of frequently bought commodities from major stores around users' location and suggests the best store based on pricing for each commodity. For a given list of items and based on users' location, our app would recommend the best store. So we have 24 modules in our application and we've completed 19 of them, which we'll be presenting now. So first is a sign up module where the user can create a new account with the name, email ID, user ID and password. A new user account has been created. Now the user can log into the application with his user ID and password. Suppose the user enters a wrong password, the system would validate and give a message to the user accordingly. The user will be able to log into the app with the right credentials. So now we actually get a list of products from different stores by accessing the product APIs. For example, Walmart API and Target API and few other store API we access and we get the product information along with product ID, name, description, price and few other details and store them in our database. So that was what you had just seen as loading the product catalog. Now we have different modules where the user can create a new list of items which he would frequently use or frequently buy from these stores. He can modify or update the list, and user can also compare prices of the different items in the list and get the best option out of them. User can also view his recent list and modify it, add favorites and also modify them. There's another option where user can look up a product in Google and get details. We look into the create list module. So user can select a product from a product catalog. So this is an auto-completed text box where which is automatically loaded from a product catalog. So user can select a product and enter the quantity and add it to his recent list. Multiple products can be added which can be from different stores, like for example a milk from Target and another milk product from Walmart can be added. And we save them into a recent list which is populated every time the user adds an item. User can also compare prices of the items he has added. For example, he has an item from Target and one from Walmart, and let's say Target is cheaper and there are multiple other items also, let's assume. So based upon the consolidated set of items, our app would get the cheapest best option and provide it to the user. So we have this compare prices module which would show which store is better for the user.
Next, the user can view his recent list. In this recent list, he can view all the items he had added so far, and at the same time he can add new items, delete existing items, or he can delete the whole list. To add a new item, he can search for the new item and enter the quantity as required. And you can now see that it has been added to our recent list. Next, he can also delete an item from the recent list by selecting on a particular item. He can also get the whole item list deleted by clicking on the delete list. Next, we have the view favorites option. In this favorites option, the user can add items which may or may not be there in the product catalog. So basically, he can make notes of items that he might want to purchase in near future. Let's say the user wants to get honey. So that we have added to our favorites list now. At the same time, if he wants an item to be deleted, he can select the item and click on delete, and the item has been deleted. The last option here is the Google search. So let's say the user wants to search for a particular item in Google to gather more information before purchasing. He can do it here. If he wants to search for laptop, we can see that the details about various laptops have been populated, and from here he might decide to purchase them or to just get more information. So this is basically what we have done till now. Thank you.